I'll leave the jokes to you guys. Okay, we're looking for a lost hamster.
No Richard here.
Geez, Sammy got lost. I can't believe it. He was just running around with his little wheel thing. It makes so much funny noise. Sounds like...
Hey, that's him. He's talking to us.
Oh, see?
Hey, wait, hey, what's that noise over there? The pile of newspapers.
Oh, I can hear him over here. He's running. I think he maybe got stuck in the wall.
Is he doing Morse code?
Oh, he turned into a fly. I heard him say, help me.
Help me!
Oh my God. Now we have to look for a fly.
All right, I'm gonna look in this cabinet for a
I hear a fly
swatter.
over here.
We open the door.
I can't swat him.
Why not?
Because he's Sammy. What if the spell ends and he comes back to being a hamster
All right,
again?
I'll slam the door then.
Little Johnny would be awfully upset if we kill his hamster.
Who?
Our son, little Johnny.
Oh, I forgot we had a son.
Mommy, where's the hamster?
There. That's Johnny. Wants to know where his hamster is.
Wait, there he is. Listen to him buzzing around.
Wait, he's coming from two sides. He must have split himself in half and become two flies.
He's in Dolby Stereo for our listening pleasure.
Wow!
Wait. He just landed. Oh!
Holy moly, you went right up the crack.
He bit me.
Oh, it's swelling out to beat the bear.
Little dark in here.
There he goes again.
He said it's awfully dark in here.
Well, of course it's dark in there. I'm wearing black underwear.
Okay, I'm gonna find the phone. We're gonna call the emergency squad.
Okay.
You press that button that says where the ringer is.
Shut the water off. Get to the phone.
Try again.
Ding dong!
Oh, here's the phone.
I'll get the door while you're on the phone.
Oh, it's the Cousin It phone.
Oh. Sorry.
911, we need help.
Oh, we'll be there Thursday.
Thursday, they're coming Thursday. So what are we gonna
I'll
do?
go back to the fly swatter and get rid of him right now.
Don't kill me.
What did he say? Don't kill me.
Let's see if this works. Oh, that's right.
You are in such trouble, buddy.
How?
I was waiting for that sound effect.
You're
Bang.
This
So
is
there.
turning into the Three Stooges with just two of us.
Certainly.
Wow.
Ooh.
Somebody sooner or later will call scene.
Yeah, me.
Scene.